What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go to our friend Cardano. ADA. Currently we're sitting at 47 cents. We're down 5.6 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 15.84 billion. 24-hour volume all the way down to 736 million. Let's hop into the charts. We're gonna start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we're looking at a wave 1 and we're looking at a wave 2 pullback. It looks like that's what's playing out. Now your wave 2 can retrace up to 99% of wave 1, but usually you want to see a bounce in between the 0.5 to 0.786. And we're putting in a beautiful ABC correction where we've come down and we've created A. Here's your B wave and your final C wave, which usually breaks lower than your A wave. And you can look for a 5-wave structure within your C wave. So maybe a little something like this. We've come down to wave 1. This was your wave 2 pullback. This is wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So we may be looking to complete this ABC correction. If we can bounce off the golden ratio at about 0.458, then we can see our wave 3. And to measure that, take your trend-based fib extension here from the bottom of your wave 1 to the top to the bottom of your wave 2. If we were to bounce off the 0.618, then you would target the 1.618, which is coming in at about 69 cents for a potential wave 3. Now, for confirmation of that playing out, what you want to see here is ADA comes up and breaks this B wave high at about 53 cents. If we can come up and break that, that's more confirmation you're going to put in that wave 3 to the upside. I'm just going to move all these over just a little bit here. And to invalidate this structure, we have to come all the way down and break that wave 1 low and see continuation to the downside for Cardano. Now, if we look at ADA here on the daily time frame, we did break out of this descending triangle pattern. As you can see here on the daily, we do have a little bit of a double top, so that is something to keep in mind. Of course, it can still be a fake out, especially when you're in a downtrend. You'll see a lot of fake outs to the upside where we come down, we break out of the pattern, we fake out, we come back down. But as long as we can hold this support here, we hold this level, we see continuation, then you are in a technical target all the way up here to about 80 cents. We are seeing some nice volume. We saw some nice reversal volume, especially when we broke out here. You can see that nice increase in volume. So we'll see if more volume steps in to push the price up, or if we indeed roll over, break this low here, and create a lower low for Cardano. Have to wait and see what happens over the course of the week. But with our Elliott wave count, we put in a wave 1, and right now we're putting in a healthy wave 2 retracement. So we could definitely see a bounce off about 0.458. If we do break that level of support, then you may see your C leg come all the way down here to about 43 cents to 0.786 before seeing that potential bounce and the potential wave 3 to the upside to take you all the way up here to about 69 cents. So that could be a juicy trade opportunity here. If we do come up and break this B wave high, I do give signals in the Discord for my exact entries, exits, and take profits at the $10 membership until the end of the month. Recently locked in some huge gains on Gala, and I recently gave a trade signal for Ethereum as well. So if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, it's coming in at $10 until the end of the month, and then it's going to be cranked up to 25. So get in while you can. That's basically it for Cardano. You can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my leverage trades, for my spot trades. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt positions. And also over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You really can't beat it. You can sign up through the Patreon link. And if you want to trade with me, make sure to sign up to Bybit. You can check out my full length tutorial, $4,500 in bonuses. That's where I do all my trading. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.